In most circumstances, spiral heat exchangers are self-cleaning. In units that do not need to be cleaned, however, periodic backflushing can be used to extend the intervals between cleaning. Spiral heat exchangers can easily be cleaned on site using a cleaning-in-place unit or CIP. This method can also be used to remove sticky fluids, soft deposits and particles. Before you begin, please review the Spiral Heat Exchanger Instruction Manual for guidance. The manual also details the shutdown process, points out the connections, explains the cleaning procedures, and shows you how to verify your results. Spiral heat exchangers can also be cleaned mechanically on site. The process begins with shutting down and depressurizing both sides of the spiral, and then proceeds as follows. The hook bolts are removed from the front cover and it is opened. Next, the spiral is cleaned, either with steam or a high-pressure stream of water. Nozzles on the water hose can either rotate or create a concentrated jet. Hot water, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, cleans efficiently. For the best results, hot water may be combined with an environmentally friendly degreaser. When the process is finished, ensure that the water and cleaning agent flow out of the unit and drain the used cleaning solution to an appropriate wastewater system. To verify the results of the cleaning, check visually or introduce a bar between the channels. Always change the gasket, referring to the nameplate or to the general arrangement drawing to identify the correct material and thickness. A new gasket can be cut using a cover or gasket plate as a template. It's important to clean and lubricate the hook bolts so they can be tightened fully. For torque values, please see the Installation Operations Manual. When the cleaning, lubrication and tightening are complete, the spiral will be ready for work for a very long time.